Let your kids enjoy the fresh air and sunshine with a Monkey Bar Adventure Swing Set from Lifetime Products. The heavy-duty swing set includes 3 belt swings and 1 trapeze bar with gym rings. Each swing chain has rubber grips to prevent little fingers from being pinched, and the chain clips at the top safely secure the swings to the frame. The Monkey Bars are an instant favorite for kids and provide hours of entertainment. The Monkey Bar Adventure Swing Set is built with your child's safety in mind and passes all playground safety standards. Any hard edges or chains have been rounded or covered to eliminate snagging, scratching, and pinching. Unlike wooden swing sets, your kids will not get slivers, scrapes, or cuts with Lifetime's playground equipment. You don't have to worry about staining or painting your playground equipment because all Lifetime swing sets are UV protected to reduce fading or discoloration. Constructed of powder-coated galvanized steel and high-density polyethylene, our swing sets are smooth and heat-resistant so your kids can play safely and comfortably on a sunny day. The steel is weather and rust-resistant to protect against cracking, chipping, or peeling. Unlike other metal swing sets that have cheap, thin steel construction, Lifetime's Monkey Bar Adventure Swing Set has heavy-duty 16-gauge steel and is guaranteed to keep its design and good looks for years to come. With sturdy support bases, our swing set is simple to assemble, with no cement required and can easily be moved around the yard. Perfect for children ages 3 to 12 years old, Lifetime's Monkey Bar Adventure Swing Set is strong, durable, and safe for your children. So find your kids a reason to play in the safety and convenience of your own backyard with the Monkey Bar Adventure Swing Set from Lifetime Products. With its heavy-duty construction, safety features, and good looks, it's sure to be the perfect addition to your backyard.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.